real quick right here. This is an entry position on Mara. Do you see where it stopped at 83? This is an entry position for Mara. Did everybody see where it went?
Bought more.
Right? Remember, the entry was around 69, and I told you guys yesterday it's not going to get to the exact penny, but this is going to be one of those starting entry positions. Now listen, you see how it's coming back to 69 again? That's bearish. Now I don't buy it here. Why? Because it came back too fast. I don't touch it here. Now I want 13. 13 will be support. Do you see?
Okay.
Does everybody understand the difference? This is a starting position on Mara. This is support. Everybody see it now? Because remember, if it breaks 13, we're out. If it rides 13, you're okay. If it breaks 13, you're out. Otherwise, this is support. Everybody understand the difference? Scalping only, meaning very short term. There you go. You're all green now. Move your stops up. Use a trailing stop. Don't let that green trade go red. Yes? You're all green.
Yes.
Every one of you are green now. Don't let that come back against you. Yep. Like I said, on that pullback, you guys saw how hard Mara pulled back. Now look, this is a resistance at 26.69 on my screen. Everybody see it? Let me mute that mic. Everybody see it? So you bought here, you made money up to here. It has to break 69 or it's going to pull. Everybody understand? This is why I said, move up your stops. You were green. You guaranteed your money. You were locked in your money. Mara broke 13. Massive pull on Mara now. Isn't that exactly what I said? That's why I said if it can't hold 13, it's gone, right? Next level is 542.10. 541.71. 541. 540.29. Oh, and 541.35. Let me pull into the 1 minute. This is what it looks like, everybody. There's all your major levels for NVIDIA. Everybody see it?